Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the order of stability or the benzyl radical. Benzyl radical, why more stable than allyl radical? So this is the topic of discussions. The benzyl radical is more stable than allyl radicals. Why? And very common question in chemistry exam, that benzyl radical is more stable than allyl radical, give reason. So we talk about this topic. So if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Let's start our discussion about this topic. This problem can be solved using the concept of resonance. Resonance stabilization is the main answer for this order of stability, means benzyl radical why more stable than the allyl radical. See the allyl radical is forming the resonance structures. Resonating structures or contributing structures are 1 and 2, and this one is resonance hybrid structures. So for allyl radical we are saying that this one is forming a contributing structure, and for this reason these are forming the 2 contributing structures for allyl radical. And for benzyl radical, this is example of benzyl radical, and for benzyl radical this one is also for benzyl radical. What happens, this is forming contributing structure CH2, this one, and for this such type of resonating structures can be formed by the benzyl radical, benzyl free radical. Next structure is like this one, sorry, next structure is like this, and in the next structure it converts to its original structure, and the next structure is like this structure is formed. So these are called the contributing structures of the contributing structure of benzyl radical. Okay, for benzyl radical we are seeing 1, 2, 3 and 4 contributing structures are present for the benzyl radical. You cannot consider it, you can consider it up to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 contributing structures or resonating structures can be formed in case of benzyl radical. Benzyl radical have these 4 contributing structures, while allyl radical have 2 contributing structures. So due to this more number of contributing structures or resonating structures for benzyl radical, and the resonance hybrid for benzyl radical is like this one is called the resonance hybrid for benzyl free radical. Okay, this one. So benzyl free radical case, the number of contributing structure or resonating structures are more number of resonating structure or contributing structures possible for the case of the benzyl radical, and less number of resonating structures are formed in the allyl radical. and for this reason the benzyl radical is more stable than allyl radical. So this is the complete explanation for the reason of benzyl radical more stable than allyl radical. This is due to the resonance where more number of canonical structures or contributing structures are formed that can be more stable compound or more stable species. Here in case of benzyl free radical, this is means more stable resonating more contributing structures are formed, and for this reason this is the more stable free radical than allyl free radical. So this is the topic of discussions. I discussed it. If you find this means this discussion is useful for you, then you can watch the other discussions regarding this organic chemistry or inorganic or physical chemistry from the playlist that I made in this channel. And if you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section below. And if you find this channel is important to you, or you can learn something from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel. And if you find this video is useful, then you can like this video.